Yo! What's up guys, top of the morning to you. Hope everyone's doing well. My name's Ricky, welcome to my channel. I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So today we're going to Dublin. It's about a 100-mile drive, shouldn't take long. It is now 10 o'clock, we'll be there for around 11 o'clock. Halfway to Dublin. I'm feeling a bit restless. Why can't we not be there now? Make time go faster. Hey pretty lady.
Hello.
Are you excited? Yeah.
Dublin's my favorite place.
So we're just doing a pit stop here in the fuel station going over the motorway. We're gonna get some coffee and some food. Okay, so we got food and we got coffee. We're all good and ready to go. It's good coffee.
A few moments later.
So we're finally in Dublin, about time. Now we're trying to find our way to a zoo and we are 100% lost. Finally found a zoo, hey! Now we need to find for parking. Oh, it's such a nice day today. Wow.
I don't know what way to wear this scarf.
You do you be.
Hang on.
You do you be. What do you like of your handbag? What's your handbag called?
Shelly?
Thank you. The camera doesn't reach that far. Thanks, babe.
Can I have cake with
Babe, it's crazy how big the lions are. Like, see when lions are like standing up, they're easy like 7 foot. Absolutely crazy. I didn't think they were that big. Mind blown. Hey. Babe, I came to the conclusion that you're a flamingo.
Why?
Your body's so short, but your legs are so long. Babe, what a rude orangutan.
I think it's
So
a girl.
rude.
I think it's a girl.
Babe. So that's the end. I'm so sad.
Me too.
So that's the end of the zoo. It's always a good time whenever we go to the zoo. Animals are so cool. I want to be an animal. So we just parked up there. Now we're gonna find somewhere to eat. In the heart of Dublin city centre here. We're trying to find somewhere nice to eat. There's so much food places you can't decide. So we're in Pandora right now. I'm getting back in your ring because she lost hers. So just got back in a little bit.
Finally, after weeks of searching,
I know. Everywhere in Belfast is sold out, and
everywhere.
it happened to be like the last ring there.
It's fate. It's like a sign.
It must be, babe. But anyways, I did buy Becca a ring that's similar to it, but it's silver. But this one's rose gold, and she lost the other one.
I didn't lose it. Like,
You did.
on purpose. I wasn't well.
Still lost it. Just stopped off at this burger place. I don't know, we're just in the mood for a burger. Yeah, I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat.
I want those chicken wings now.
Let's eat.
I want to take a snapshot.
So what do you think about Dublin so far?
I love Dublin.
Me too.
All over your face.
Huh?
It's all over your face.
Food was good. So we're just making our way home now from Dublin. Another long-ass drive to go. And we're stuck in rush hour traffic. Well, there's traffic. There's no traffic here, but on it. We were just talking about monkeys. How monkeys are like such dirty animal. Like earlier in the zoo, we seen a girl orangutan, masturbating herself casually with her eyes closed. And then I remember seeing one in Facebook of these two monkeys jerking off on a car bonnet, and there's kids in the car.
So bad.
Yo, what's up, guys? So I just got home from Dublin there. It was such a long drive. It took like at least, I would say about it took like 3 hours to get home because there was a big traffic jam. There was an accident. Anyways, I'm going to end the vlog here. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you like the videos I make, subscribe. Okay, peace. Bye.